Alright guys, we did it again. You liked that last Honda 90 video so much, Christopher went and bought a nice one, but it runs a little rough. You're watching Lambvinskis Garage. Let's make it run. We'll see how she starts without adjusting the carburetor or whatever. Pretty sure it's a Chinese carb, it's not the original. The guy put a muffler on it, and carburetor, and some other things too, but other than that, she's a really nice original bike. Oh yeah.
Yep, see it.
Yeah, we just need to do some tuning.
If I turn the choke off, it dies. But
yeah. We can get that sorted out. Let's get to the shop and make her run. Alright, she's in. The cover's off. I already checked the points. We re-gapped them. I shined them up some. The carburetor is a Chinese carburetor, and it's got to come off. As you can see, there should be a high altitude pull deal here that pulls out. It's like 6,000 feet or something. It's not necessary here, but it's still kind of weird that it doesn't have it. But I would have to guess that the idle jet is plugged up on this carburetor because I don't think he rode it for a while. So, let's pull this carburetor off and clean it out. Alright, here's our carburetors. This one is an original Japan one. This one is Chinese. And the way you can tell is because of the way that it is. But anyways, let's get this one broke open and see what's inside. Well, as you can see, I'm probably right because look at that little crap down in there. That's a really, really tiny jet. We'll get them cleaned out and see how they are. So, after further inspection, I was right. This jet is plugged. And you can see I have wire O cleaners. These are for cleaning tips on welding machines and torches and all that kind of stuff. But they work really good because they have really thin wires, and these are super hard to get into. They are tiny in there. So let's get that cleaned out. We'll check the other jets and probably be running. Alrighty, our cute little carburetor is ready to go back on. Let's install it. Well, she's all put back together other than the side pieces and the flarings and that kind of stuff. But she's ready to make smoke, and the boys aren't here. They had to run and get dinner. So while they're getting dinner, I'm going to have mine and wait for them. Nothing wrong with that. Alright, Sonny. I think you're ready to make smoke.
Shall we give her a shot?
Yeah, turn on the key, choke it, and kick that big girl. There you go.
Maybe.
Oh, did you turn the gas on?
You didn't have it backwards.
I never had the gas on when I put it back on.
Let's see if that does anything.
Now give it a shot.
It's kind of hard to tell with these.
Yeah.
Because maybe you take it off the center stand and kick it like a man. That might help.
There you go. Well. Hey, it ran better than that before we took it apart.
Take the choke off. There it fired.
There it fired. There. Now she fired up. I can.
Let me winded to kick it a 90 before.
Let me tune on her a little bit. Hey, it idles now.
Heck yeah.
Well, fire up. up again.
There we go. Say it runs a little better.
Yeah. Well, too much.
Ready?
I barely touched it. Yeah, go ahead. There you go.
Are you doing the idle screw or the throttle screw?
That's idle. I just want to bring it down just a hair. There. All right. Well, I think you might be about ready to hit the road.
I think you are.
All right, let's get set up and hit the gravel. All right, hit the road, mister. Very nice. Let's meet him down on the corner. Looking good. What a fine machine. Sounds like she's running mint to me. Oh, the horn even works. Well, are you happy with your new purchase?
I am.
Good.
Happy with it. Running great.
It sure looks like it.
Right up the hill.
Yeah.
On the hill.
Yeah, head up that hill. You guys can't really see it, but she gets pretty steep up there. Here he comes. With today's gas prices, I think these might be his new commuter.
I love the horn.
Well, guys, that's another one wrapped up for this fine, fine motorcycle. As always, thank you for watching, and have a nice day.